Hey y'all, we are back. Me, I'm tall. G short. It's me, Tanisha Davis, and this is G.
Hi.
J is somewhere in the shower. In this video, we are gonna attempt something that seems crazy to me. We are gonna make a cake in an air fryer. Actually, G is gonna make a cake in an air fryer. So we're gonna see how this goes. Because your father looked it up. Is that all right? We're gonna see how this goes, y'all. Because I don't know if y'all know, but here in the Grand Cruise, the luxury suite estate that we live in, we don't have an oven. So if we want to bake, we got to get creative, and so G is the girl to do that.
Waffle.
We ain't got no cake.
Wait a second. What is this?
That is chocolate. I was gonna eat that when I got real hungry one day. Alright, so Jay went to the store and this is what I just pulled out of the bag. Frosting, sprinkles,
A piping bag.
a piping bag,
I don't know what he needs that for.
tea ball,
And a whisk.
a whisk, and these bowls. Maybe he knows something we don't know. Because sometimes he'll do that. He'll know something we don't know. He'll be like, you don't see this bag of flour and this sugar? How do you think you make a cake? Where is cake? Jay, what was you thinking?
Did he forget the cake?
I said, where's cake? He said, oh, Did you think you had cake here?
No, I thought I grabbed it.
He thought he bought cake, G.
No, he didn't.
He thought he grabbed cake. G got an apron. Her apron is longer than her outfit. What does it say?
Tell them what's today's menu.
Baker's gotta bake. G is about to start mixing up her cake.
So today we're on my side of cooking with Giselle. We're gonna be making this French vanilla box cake because like I'm not a baker and I don't know how to bake. So what we need is 1 cup of water, which I have my little measuring cup. I need a cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. 3 eggs. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack my little huevos. Okay, so now that I put my little huevos inside of my bowl, those are my little huevos. Okay, perfect. Good enough. There we go. So I got my little vegetable oil and now I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. But now I'm gonna get a cup of water. And I got a cup of water. I was washing my hands because I didn't want oil. I am so sorry for the bad lighting and that you can barely see me. Now that I have like all those ingredients, I'm finally gonna put the cake mix. No, this is not, we're not advertising anyone, we're just using this cake because why not? So honestly, I think this is the best part, so you guys are gonna be watching right there. I'm just gonna... This is honestly my favorite part about baking. It smells so good. I'm gonna do like a little stir. I have never used a whisk before. I got my little thing because since we're doing it in the fryer, we don't have a proper thing. So I'm gonna spray it with coconut oil because I'm trying to be healthy. That's what I said in the store, but like, you know, We don't know how to do that. That's big. Got it. Oh. We're gonna now pour in our trusty dandy cake batter into that little bowl. I will try to do my best to have it on camera. If I don't get rudely interrupted. So yeah. That is too much.
Oh, why you put it on? It's supposed to be half. It's supposed to be half in there.
So I made an oopsie.
That seems fine to me.
It's gonna take forever to bake because it's such an combined. I know my little baking lingo.
Okay.
It's gonna be too much, so I guess we're gonna do half.
You're gonna make 2 of these, right?
I guess.
And how do you even get it out?
What you mean 2?
Just
Now
pour.
we're gonna make 2 of the little ones, but I bought the bigger one.
So that's
This
the big
is
one,
the
but
bigger
it
one.
needs to be the whole cake. Why would you
But the
make
thing is,
half?
that's not the actual size for the big one. You know what I'm saying? That's not the actual size for the cake. Oh,
I feel like it would overflow.
overflow. That's half?
This is not
Go
hot.
for it, go for it.
The whole entire thing? You want this to explode in it?
You think it will overflow?
Yes, because it grows.
I don't think the cake burns.
Oh, you forgot to put the paper in there?
It was supposed to be in there?
Yeah.
The paper? No.
No.
When you put the paper?
Wouldn't it be outside?
But that is, he put a cake, he lined a round bowl with paper.
And then put a cake and put non-stick spray?
Now, isn't the paper gonna be
Useless? I need a spatula.
This sound like a hot mess of a cake, don't it? This sound like this cake.
This is under the sink.
This cake about to be suspect.
Look, right here. Let me show you.
Okay, so we got the cake.
Oh, yeah, but don't you have
It's
to
probably already heated up. It's fine.
At this
Oh, yeah?
point.
Yeah. All right, so we are going to
Put the cake
insert cake number 1
into our...
You should put G's cake.
Not my cake.
into the air fryer,
Words.
and then we're gonna just press the cake button.
I did.
Okay. So the cake button sets it at 320 degrees, 30 minutes.
30.
Let's see what happens. Alright guys, it has like about 12 more minutes to go, but it smelled like it was burning. So it's like the top looked
Oh.
burnt, but the sides don't necessarily look, the sides are way yellow.
No, that's
We're gonna
Look right
poke
here.
it. I still want to do it with the
But you gotta do it with,
I
no.
wanted to do it with the I want to poke it though.
That's a cute little design, the little thing made on top.
Oh, it's ready.
No, so we good.
Yeah.
And it might be because it was smaller too.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna take it out.
Okay. So let me let Jay grab that.
You buy the mittens?
No, we ain't about the mittens. You told me no.
Why?
You said we don't need mittens. You said we have a tea kettle now. See, that is the weirdest looking thing.
But it looks cute. I like it.
I know, but I'm like, how the sides are so yellow. It's probably because it's glass.
Oh yeah, true.
He is determined to poke a knife through the poor cake.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright.
Is it done, G?
Let's see.
Yes.
Let's see what we're gonna put this out. Wait.
Oh Lord.
It's a juice.
You told me we don't need pot holders. I was gonna buy some because I was tired of living like a savage.
We need pop.
We need a short.
I hold this bar.
Ah, it's not done. this knife slipped should have been a clue. Gee! What the heck? Ah!
I poked it.
Oh my
You saw that though. It poked.
What the heck?
It tricked me.
Oh my goodness. Y'all see that?
TG&J's Kitchen.
What the heck? Is that anything? Can we put it back in there?
No.
Why?
How are we gonna make?
Might as well. I know. It's like might as well. We ain't got nothing to lose. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Woo! Oh, shucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well. And yeah, get that batter. Put that batter in there.
It was burnt on top, but then on the bottom.
Second try.
What you think?
Let's see.
What you think?
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What you about to do?
Twist.
And then what?
Look for 6 more minutes.
6?
6?
That seems like a lot.
That seems like a lot.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, time to check on this struggle cake again. Let's see, he put it in for 6 more minutes. Let us see.
1,
2, 3. Bam!
It
It's nice and toasty.
It looks
good.
crunchy.
All right, well that has to be done by now.
One more time, 6 more minutes.
If that's not done, then hey, it's just never gonna be done. Baby, you gonna do it with the frosting on it? Okay, I guess it don't matter. It's a struggle cake. It don't matter. We could do it. That cake can do.
The frosting's gonna go all around it.
We can do whatever we want with that cake. It's pure struggle at this point.
Go, go, go. Just go.
Cause you know what? Technically, these glass bowls are not cake pans.
What came out?
Oh shucks!
It could have lasted.
Look at our baby cake. I mean, it's not like we're serving this to anybody. You know, it's not like we're frosting it and bringing it to a party.
I have barely frosted cake in my life. I don't know why he put this. And the cake's probably not even gonna be that pretty. But you know what? It's worth it.
Oh gosh. You can put like more frosting on it. All right. Look, be careful. Look how you're pulling the sides down.
Look, we just put frosting.
Get like a whole
everything better.
Get like a whole glob of frosting on the spatula.
And then
bloop bloop bloop. Yep.
We're just gonna break it in the little firework.
No, you just go ahead and then you. Oh gosh. And then you just kind of spread it from there. So you see what I'm saying? Like you put a lot and then start spreading it out.
Okay. I'm trying to use a winter frosting thing though. Like I kind of like ate most of it too.
Oh gosh. Put it on the sides.
Oh,
that looks good. Eat it. Look, you gluing it back together. Nobody's gonna want to eat our cake after they see this video. They're never gonna trust our cakes again.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna eat it. Let's try it.
Yeah, just eat it. Mmm. Mmm.
That's not bad.
Mmm. G's 12.
I'm just gonna eat it.
So don't mind the fact that she is frosting and eating all the pieces of the cake at the same time.
I feel like the frosting's gonna be gone with this little cake. I feel bad. Because I ate most of the frosting.
It's so sad. See, get some more frosting.
It looks good.
No, oh my gosh. Y'all see this? Y'all see this cake? This struggle cake? She said it looks good enough. Look at this.
No, we don't talk about that.
Look at that hole. Look at that hole. Can you patch that hole up?
It's time to eat our little burnt chicken nugget. So,
She wants to taste test it.
At this point.
Oh, shucks. Oh, look at this, nice and moist. All right. Woo.
What is going on in the bottom? Do you see?
Because it's a remember when we flipped it. All right. We're gonna see the moment of truth. Now, never mind the fact that G got frosting all down her chin. Just ignore that, guys. Her face is going through changes. What's wrong with it?
I got confused because I felt a crunch.
Oh my goodness.
You're gonna feel a crunch. You guys both closed your eyes.
You said what?
I think he thinks it's good.
I'm tired.
And I'm just so.
Is it good?
No.
It's moist. It's not dry.
It's not crunch. It was that crunchy.
It's not overly sweet.
But if
He's just humming along.
I'm falling.
Wait a minute, guys. Today is a whole day later, and the cake has had time to settle and become one with itself. And I actually taste it, and guess what? It's actually not bad. So I would say my ultimate final review, if you are just against buying a cake that's already made from a store and you must make a cake and all you have is an air fryer, do that. Other than that, make it easy on yourself and just use an oven.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.